What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best DJI drones with camera for 2022 in this video. No products price, any question, more products information from link in the description. We are update best prices for best products. So like, comment this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now let's get starting. Number 5 DJI Mini SE, camera drone with 3-axis gimbal. 2.7K camera, GPS, 30-minute flight time. DJI Mini SE is roughly the same weight as the smartphone. In the United States and Canada, you can fly this camera drone without the need to register your drone with the local government. The lightweight and powerful DJI Mini SE camera drone is the ideal for creators on the move. The ultra-portable design allows you to effortlessly capture moments in unforgettable ways. DJI Mini SE's weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar consumer drones on the market. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. DJI Mini SE supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. A 3-axis motorized gimbal provides superior camera stability and ensures clear ultra-smooth footage. Upgraded wind resistance, DJI Mini SE can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. The DJI Fly app offers a variety of creator templates that generate awesome videos with just a tap. Even beginners with no editing experience can turn any moment into a social media hit. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4 DJI Mini 2, ultralight and foldable drone quadcopter, 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K, 30fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. Mini 2 supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. With just a few taps, DJI Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional-level videos to share directly on social media. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3 DJI Mavic Air 2, drone quadcopter UAV with 48MP camera 4K video, 8K video. 3-axis gimbal 34 minutes flight time. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits because aerial photography has never been this easy. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a 1.2-inch CMOS sensor while the 3-axis gimbal provides 4K 60fps video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance quad-Bayer image sensor. OcuSync 2.0 has a video transmission distance of up to 6.2 miles to 10 kilometers and can also deliver 1080p Full HD resolution live stream directly from the drone's camera. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. Obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your Mavic Air 2. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2 DJI Air 2S, drone quadcopter UAV with 3-axis gimbal camera. Equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K 30fps and 4K/60fps video. The next evolution of quick shots, Master Shots, is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. Focus Track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0. making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. Max service ceiling above sea level, 5,000 meter. The 10-bit log and color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced O3, OcuSync 3.0, image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions, up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. With a 1-inch sensor, 5.4K video, master shots, and much more, DJI Air 2S is the ultimate all-in-one camera drone. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. At last, number 1 DJI FPV, combo with motion controller, first-person view drone quadcopter UAV with 4K camera. Immersive flight experience, feel the thrill of immersive flight provided by the DJI FPV Goggles V2 and DJI FPV Super Wide 150 degrees FOV, giving you an ultra-smooth, real-time view of your flight. 4K 60 FPS video, the DJI FPV aircraft can record 4K/60 FPS video at up to 120 megabits per second, capturing crisp details that make footage look as exhilarating as the flight. Brand new S mode, get the dynamic look of FPV footage easily in S mode. This hybrid flight mode combines the freedom of flying manually with the simplified controls of previous DJI drones. Advanced safety features, an auxiliary bottom light, smart return to home, RTH, low battery RTH, and forward and downward obstacle sensing are all integrated into DJI FPV to help ensure a safe flight, even at high speeds. Entirely new way to fly, the DJI motion controller allows the aircraft to maneuver based on your natural hand motions. 4K camera with super wide angle provides you with an unrivaled view. 4K/60 FPS, rock steady stabilization, distortion correction give you even smoother, more dramatic results. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.